the Tiger 100 was a standard motorcycle first made by Triumph at their Coventry factory for 1939. Development. With the runaway sales success of the Triumph Speed Twin, Edward Turner's mind turned to further developing the potential of his new parallel twin motor. The lighter and more powerful Tiger 100 was developed as a sports enthusiast's machine, whereas with previous models the 100 referred to its claimed maximum speed. Technical changes over the Speed Twin included forged alloy pistons, a very early use of the technology. Secondly, the cylinders were forged in a single casting and held in place by 8 studs, instead of the Speed Twin unregistered trademark S6. Thirdly, the Tiger 100 used a single amyl carburetor, possible thanks to the 360-degree firing interval of the two cylinders. Finished in silver and costing £5 more, new features included a larger fuel tank and detachable silencers. In March 1939, Triumph came up with an unorthodox launch of the new Tiger 100. Using a Tiger 100 and a Speed Twin straight from dealers' showrooms, endurance was tested with a run of over 1,800 miles from John O'Roads to Land's End in Cornwall, then to the Brooklyn circuit for 6 hours of continuous high-speed laps, where riders Ivan Wicksteed and David Whitworth averaged 78.5 miles per hour with a final lap of 88.5 miles per hour, winning Triumph the Maud's Trophy. The Tiger 100's sporting pretensions were later further proven through Freddie Clarke's unregistered trademark S 1939 lap record at Brooklands of 118.02 miles per hour on a bored-out 503cc Tiger 100. The Triumph Works was destroyed by German bombers on the night of November 14, 1940, along with much of the city of Coventry, bringing production of the Tiger 100 to an end until after the war. When Triumph recovered and began production again at Meriden, the Tiger 100 reappeared with the new telescopic fork. In 1951 it gained a new close-finned alloy cylinder barrel and factory race kits for independent racers. In 1953 a fully race-kitted model, the Tiger 100C, was available, although only 560 were made. 1954 saw the first swinging arm rear suspension models, and the Tiger 100 was developed year on year alongside the other models in the range. 1959 was the last of the pre-units, and in 1960 it was completely redesigned in the new unit style as the T100A. A long line of T100SS, T100C, T100A and others appeared during the 60s in the UK and export markets, culminating in the Daytona variants which soldiered on until 1973. The historic Tiger name was revived by the new Hinckley Triumph Company in 1993. Bob Dylan crash. On July 29, 1966, Bob Dylan crashed his Tiger 100 SS motorcycle on a road near his home in Woodstock, New York, throwing him to the ground. In the wake of his accident, Dylan withdrew from the public and, apart from a few select appearances, did not tour again for 8 years. Jupiter's Travels. A police specification 1973 Tiger 100 T100P was also the bike that Ted Simon rode on his first trip around the world, starting that year. In the beginning of his book Jupiter's Travels, he documents how the Meriden factory was undergoing a sit-in and as a result his motorcycle was hastily assembled. References